The Properties pane allows you to update multiple items at once. These might be direct cost items, resources, or lines in a cost estimate. It's very helpful when you're making the same change to a number of items or standardizing the data in some way. For example, here we see these labour resources as having different units, where they should all have the same unit. We can click any column to select multiple resources. Then click here to open the Properties pane. And then enter MHRS here. You can see that the units have updated for all the selected resources. The Properties pane will also provide you with some analysis. For example, if we select multiple direct cost items, you can see a summation of the quantity, estimated costs, and a breakdown of the resources used within those items. The Properties pane is available in most windows throughout Expert Estimation.